How to pin apps on Chromebook. For example, as you can see right here in the shelf, you can see numerous apps that I have currently pinned on my Chromebook. To do this, all you have to do is go down to the bottom left hand corner and you are going to tap on Launcher. Once you have done that, you will see a list of the apps and also the files that are currently on your Chromebook. And once you have found the app that you would like to pin, for example Google Sheets, you are going to simply right click. By the way, to right click, all you'll need to do is use 2 fingers and press down on the mouse pad at the same time, and you will see the option Pin to Shelf. You are going to tap on that, and as you can see right here, Sheets is currently pinned, and that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.